Guys, really excited. Got this portable power bank. This thing has many outlets. As you see, there's 2 here, bunch right over here. You've got your light fixture or light options here. Comes with different power cords for different attachments. You know, you've got your wall outlet here, attachments here. You've got your carports here. Different options for attachments. Love this. This is huge. You're gonna need this. Also comes with a here's the solar portion of the power bank where you'll be able to have it out in the sun. This is a big one too. Look at how big that one is. You got 4 different areas for it. Attachment ports right there. You've got another light here. You got your LED screen with power button.
The charger.